the previous class we discussed about expansion form of a number. Expansion form of a number. Today we are going to discuss about standard form. Standard form of a number. In this standard form, here I am taking one example of a number. In this standard form of a number, I am taking one example. In the examination, he given like this. Please write this number in standard form. That means we are adding these numbers. 732. That is 732. The standard form of this number is 732. Standard form nothing but adding the numbers, adding the place values of each digit in a number in standard form. That is, I am taking one more example. 7000 plus 540 plus 7. This is in expansion form. That means, what is the expansion form? 7000. 7 is under thousands place. That's why I am multiplying 7 with 1000. 700 means 7 is under thousands place. What is the meaning of 500? 500 means 5 is under 100th place. What is the meaning of 40? Like this, 4 is under 10th place. 7 is under 1's place. This is the expansion form. 7 into 1000. 7000 plus I am multiplying 5 with 100. 500 plus 4 into 10. 40 plus 7 into 1. 7. I am adding these numbers like this. 7547. I can get the value 7547. This is the standard form of this number. This is in expansion form. This is in standard form. Here I am writing this number in another way also. Just look at me once. Five into 100, 4 into 10 plus 7 into 1. Here I am writing in the place of 1000 I am writing 10 into 10 into 10. Here in the place of 100 I am writing 10 into 10. Here we have only one 10, then I am writing same 7 into 1. 1000 can be write like this. How? 10 into 10 into 10. What is the value of this? 10 times are 100. 100 into 10. 100 times are 1000. Then we can get the same value. So 1000 can be write like this also. 10 into 10 into 10. Here 10 into 10, 10 times are 100. So 100 can be written like this also. Here how much tens we have? 1, 2, 3. Then I am writing like this 10 cube. That means we have 3 tens. 1, 2, 3. That's why I am writing 10 cube. Place. How much tens we have? 2 tens. 5 into 10 square. We have 2 tens. That's why I am writing 10 square. Here we have only 1 10. So I am writing same 7 into 1. In the examination, he given like this also. Please write standard form of this number. Standard form of this number. In that 10 cube means 1000, 10 square means 100. What is that standard form of this number? 10 cube means 1000. Then 7000 are 7000, 500 are 500, 40 plus 7. Then we can get the standard form 7547. So expansion form can be written like this also. In cubes form or in squares form. Here I am taking one more example for you. Eight into 10 cube, 6 into 10 square, 4 into 10, 5 into 9. Write this expansion form into standard form. What is the value of 10 to the power of 4? Here 10 to the power of 4 means we have 4 tens. That is 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. We have 4 tens. Place 10 cube means we have 3 tens. 8 into 110, another 10 and one more 10. Here 10 square means 2 tens. 6 into 10 into 10. Only we have 110, then 4 into 10 plus 5 into 1. First you can write like this. Here we have 10 to the power of 4. That's why we are writing 4 times. 10 cube, 10 to the power of 3. That's why we are writing 3 times. 10 to the power of 2. That's why we are writing 2 times. Here only 110. I am writing same and 5 into 1. Then 7 into 10 times are 100 into 10 times are 100 plus 8 into 10 times are 100 into one more 10 plus 6 into 10 times are 100 plus 4 into 10 40 plus 5 into 1 5. 100 hundreds are 10,000. 100 hundreds are 10,000 plus 8 into 100 times are 1000 plus 6 into 100 600 plus 40 plus 5. 7 10,000s are 70,000 plus 8,000s are 8,000 plus 600 plus 40 plus 5. After addition of these numbers we can get the standard form. I am adding this 70,000, 8,000, 600 plus 40 plus 5. 5, 4, 6, 8, 7. What is the final answer? 78,645. The standard form of this number is 78,645. You can solve like this in each and every problem. What is the standard form of this number? 78,645. Let's go to another topic. Here we are discussing about expansion form, standard form. This is predecessor and successor. What it means before number? Predecessor means before number. Successor means after number. Predecessor means before number. Successor means after number. Now I am taking one example. Here I am writing 354. What is the predecessor of this number? The predecessor of this number is 353. What is it? 353. Predecessor means before number. What is the before number of 354? That is 353. So the predecessor of 354 is 353. What is the successor of this number? Successor means after number. What is the successor of 354 is 355. The predecessor of 354 is 353. Successor of 354 is 355. Here I am taking one more example. I am writing 1000. Predecessor of this number. Predecessor of this number is, what is that? Predecessor of 1000 is 999. 999. The successor of this number is 1001. 1001. That means predecessor means before number, successor means after number. Please note down these examples. Write predecessor and successor of these numbers. Please note down this. Just pass it once. Okay children, with this we completed our first chapter. Just let us revise what we learned or what we discussed in this chapter. First, we discussed about numbers, place values, Indian place value system, international place value system, and numeration, notation, expansion form, standard form, predecessor and successor. These topics we learned in this first chapter. Numbers, we are discussing about these numbers. Numbers means 0 to 1, 0 to 9, and we have so many numbers. In that, which one is the smallest one digit number? 1, and the greatest one digit number? 9. Like this we are writing up to crores. Place values, we have two place value system. One is Indian system and one is international system. In Indian system, we are discussed about how to write a number in Indian system and how to read a number in Indian system. In the same way, we are discussing about international place value system. In this place value system, we are discussed about how to write and how to read a number. In this Indian place value system, for example, I am taking one this 35,564. In Indian place value system, we are writing like this. We are putting a comma first 3 digit, in after that each 2 digits. It can be read like this, 35,564. In international place value system, I am taking same example. We are putting commas after each 3 digits. Here I am taking only 5 digit number, that's why I am getting only one comma. 35,564. If I take 6 digit number like this, 635,564. It can be read like this. In international place value system, this number can be read like this, 635,564. For example, I am taking this example in Indian place value system. It can be read like this, 6,35,564. This is the difference between Indian and international systems. In Indian system, we are putting commas first 3 digits, after that each 2 digits. In international system, we are putting commas each after 3 digits. These are the two place value systems, and we are discussing about numeration. Numeration means, what is numeration? Numeration means writing a number in digit, writing a number in words form. Writing a number in words form is called numeration. I am writing one example. Did you remember or not? I don't know. 1000. Numeration means writing a number in words form. In words form is called numeration. What is notation? Notation means writing a number in digits form or numerals form or symbols form. For example, here I am writing 1000. What is the notation form of this number? The notation form of this number is 1000. This is notation. Notation means writing a number in digits form or symbols form or numerals form. Is called notation. What is numeration? Numeration means writing a number in words form is called numeration. What is notation? Notation means writing a number in digits form or symbols form or numerals form. Both are same. In digits form or symbols form or numerals form is called notation. Expansion form. We discussed about this. Expansion form means writing a number. We can elaborate a number. That means here I am writing 375. What is the expansion form of this number? The expansion form of this number is ones place, tens place, hundredth place. 3 is under hundredth place. That's why I am multiplying 3 with 100 place 7. Ones place, tens place. 7 is under tens place. That's why I am multiplying 7 with 10. 5 is under ones place. That's why I am multiplying 5 with 1. This is the expansion form of this number. What is the expansion form of 375 is 3 into 100 plus 7 into 10 plus 5 into 1. This is the expansion form of this number. And what is standard form? Standard form means writing a number in expansion form. We can convert a number from expansion to standard form. That means here I am writing 3 into 100 plus 7 into 10 plus 5 into 1. In standard form 375. This is the standard form of a number. Predecessor. What is the predecessor and what is successor? Predecessor means before number. Successor means after number. For example, I am taking same example 375. The predecessor of 375 is 374 and the successor of 375 is 376. 374 and 376. What is predecessor? Predecessor means before number, successor means after number. Here I am taking one example 375. The predecessor of 375 is 374. The successor of 375 is 376. These are the topics we discussed in this chapter. In the next class, we will do some problems on these topics.